Finding reliable datasets has always been one of the struggles many people facing when learning how to build dashboards in Power BI. In this video, I will show you how to overcome this challenge by connecting to BigQuery public data mart, giving you access to over 100 open source datasets. In your browser, navigate to console.cloud.google.com. If you don't have a Google Cloud account, please sign up for one. It is completely free. Select the drop-down on the top and create a new project. Give your project a name and click Create. Wait for the project to finish deploy and select the project. Now we need to enable BigQuery API. While we are still in the Google Cloud Console, go to APIs and Services, select Library, search for BigQuery API and enable the API. Go back to the console homepage. In the search bar, navigate to BigQuery. Click Add, then select Start a project by name. Type BigQuery public data is what I am showing. Then click Start to pin the project in our Project Explorer. Refresh the page to display all the available projects. If we expand the BigQuery public data folder, you should see all the open source dataset databases. Some databases might only have one table, some might have 2 or 3, and some might have tens of hundreds. Now, launch your Power BI desktop app. Under the Home tab, click Get Data, then go to More. Select Google BigQuery Data Connection Type, then click Connect. If you expand advanced options, you can provide a SQL statement to return a specific data set. For now, we will keep everything to the basics. Click OK. If you're connecting to your BigQuery account for the first time, you will be prompted to log in. On the prompt window, click Sign In to log in with your Google Cloud credential. Or you can provide your service account credential to keep the connection permanent. That will be a separate video. Once you are connected, you should see all the Google Cloud project displaying. Expand the BigQuery public data folder. And here simply check the box for the tables from a large collection of data set you want to import to Power BI. Then click Load. Choose Import if you want to copy the data into Power BI. This option will give you better performance for visualizations and fast report generation. Choose Direct Query if you just want to keep the file size to a minimum and you're working with a real-time data set. Once the tables are imported, you can start using them to build your dashboards. That's all for this video. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.